Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys Bluetooth network problem in our Tecno mobile. Guys you have guys your Bluetooth network problem in your Tecno phone. So then how can you solve guys your Bluetooth network problem in your Tecno phone? In this video I will show you. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to solve guys our Bluetooth network problem. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on guys your system setting, last one setting, and guys again you can see your reset option. Guys tap here. Guys click on first one reset setting, and friends you can see your Bluetooth setting. Then you will tap here to solve Bluetooth problem. So as your Bluetooth network problem has solved in your Tecno phone, and guys after that guys you can use your Bluetooth setting without any problem guys. So guys again guys you have any problem in your Bluetooth setting, Bluetooth network device, any settings, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye. Before going please go and like the video.